Well, what we got here then? Right, about 3 days ago, I had a couple parcels turning up. And I thought to myself, I haven't ordered anything for Amazon. And a couple awesome fellow YouTube creators sent me this, so let's have a look. I had a few people in a couple months that wanted to give me stuff for doing some work through YouTube. And I didn't feel very comfortable getting money, so I set it up this Amazon wish list. And I put a few things there so they could buy it and feel a little bit more part of the channel, you know, when they see their stuff being used. So this first parcel is from Gary Butler. Keep up the good work, mate, my friend, from the Scrap It Man Gary. So Scrap It Man channel, awesome channel, great guy, and he got me this GoPro polarizer filter, CP out filter. It's gonna come really handy. Thanks very much, Gary. I really appreciate it, man. You guys really surprised me and made my day. And the second one is from another awesome creator that I've been following for a long time, James from the Savage Garage. Merry Christmas, Igor. All the best, mate, from the Savage Garage. Thanks very much again, James. And another thing that I put on my wish list, which was clips that I use all the time when removing bumpers and trims and, you know, mud guards and stuff like that. This is a 630 piece, so you got all sorts in here. Absolutely awesome. And also comes with some trim tools and those plastic plugs too as well. Fantastic. So that will really help the channel. And I should be using tomorrow on a Toyota, to be fair. So that came like in really good timing. Really big thank you to those guys. Not just for the items, but for the thought. You know, to know that you guys, you know, go out of your way to get me this. It was, yeah, made my day. It means a lot. Now I want to say a big thank you to another few creators, which is long overdue. But first of all, I have to clear up all this mess. I basically just dropped everything when I was working on the car, and can't even see my sort of bench there, you know. So let me clear that up first. So left to right we have Dave Stowe, great channel, very knowledgeable mechanic. Thanks very much for this sticker, Dave, really appreciate it. Then you have Thomas, again, very knowledgeable guy, Volkswagen Audi mechanic. Now he changed a little bit now, it's been a little bit slow with the videos, but he's one of the guys that really influenced the channel. You know, for me to create the channel, I would say Thomas, Luis, LM Auto Repairs, and then James, the way I went about edit stuff. I really enjoyed the way that James edits his videos, and yeah, I learned a lot in the beginning. And yeah, those guys probably, I would say, is one of the three guys that really influenced the channel in the beginning. Then we have Badgertronics, Badger in New Zealand. Again, great channel. That's his son there. Thomas sending me that sticker. That's Charlie. Awesome sticker. Thank you very much, Badger. And after that we have Luis that I mentioned. So Luis again influenced the channel a lot with electronic stuff. Super clever guy, super switched on, and it was one of the reasons why I started the channel as well. Cody in America, Tucson, I believe, Tucson, Arizona. Very knowledgeable guy again. Thank you very much for the sticker. Then we have Mr. Martin Butler. Sent me the sticker here a while ago as well. Thank you very much for the sticker, mate. Awesome guy, awesome family, very entertaining. When you watch them, it just brings a smile to your face. Fantastic. And got Thomas again, Aussie Star in America, Delaware, I believe. Delaware, something like that. Again, awesome guy, you know, always upbeat, funny, and very enjoyable channel. Thank you very much for the sticker. Glen, the flat rate master, Mike. I actually met Mike in London when he came here to his European trip. I guess he went to Scotland. awesome dude, really enjoyed. Very good partner for whiskeys and cigars. But again, a guy that's been in the trade for a long time, always dedicated his time to young technicians that are starting, giving them a good advice. So thank you very much for the sticker, Mike. Then you have Mr. Leon. Never sent me a sticker, you know. This sticker here I got through Thomas. Thomas sent me that. Come on, mate. Again, an awesome guy, awesome channel. And yeah, I really appreciate it, mate. All the support. And then James, again, is a fellow YouTuber that I've been watching for years. I always enjoyed the way he came about the repairs, the car repairs, and the way that he edited the videos. Very, very awesome dude as well. And then we got Cory in America. I think he's in New Jersey. Thanks very much for the sticker, mate. Again, another awesome dude, has been in the trade for a long time. Always watching his videos and learning. And then we have Diagnosed Dan. Again, thank you very much for this sticker, mate. Again, Diagnosed Dan, if you don't know Diagnosed Dan, very knowledgeable guy with some really good videos where you can learn stuff. And the way that he goes about editing the videos as well is it's very easy to understand what he's doing. So thank you very much, Diagnosed Dan. And now we have one more sticker. Gary, Scrap It Man. I think I'm going to put you here with your dad, because I know your dad loves it when you come around and borrow his tools. It's all for good fun. So there you go, mate. Scrap It Man, Gary. Thank you very much, buddy. So there you go. So these are some of the channels that I follow on YouTube. They were kind enough to send me a sticker. I was planning a video about a year ago, a special video, but it never came through. So it's a long overdue shout out. I'd like to thank everybody again. I'll leave links in the description for all the channels. Check it out. If you enjoy what you see, consider subscribing. I also would like to take this opportunity to wish all my viewers and subscribers a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I know it has been a really difficult year for a lot of people, financially, mentally, losing loved ones. But stay positive. Things always improve, things always get better. And 2021 should be a much better year. And that's it. Thank you very much for all the support. Merry Christmas, and I'll see you soon.